everybody, welcome on in. Just a quick, fun Photoshop project for you here. What we're going to do with this is we're going to create kind of a retro 3D effect with this photo here. I took this photo a couple months ago. Obviously, it was very cold outside. But this is what we're going to be editing. You can use any photo on this. It all works pretty well. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to move my face because we don't need that there. So obviously, clean up the photo, okay? That should be the first thing that you do in all of your photos. I can see there's something weird on the bottom of my hat here. Is there anything odd in my sunglasses? It doesn't look like it. I'm gonna clean that up just a little bit. And everything else looks okay for the most part, okay? Actually, I'm gonna clean up this little light structure there. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we want to do next is we want to create a duplicate layer of our photo. So if we right click down here on our layer, we're going to hit duplicate layer and we get this little box that pops up here. And what I'm going to type in here is 3D. Okay. So now you can see down below, I have my background layer and my 3D layer. Okay. I am going to unlock my background layer because we're going to end up editing it here in a second. But what I'm going to do is on my 3D layer, I'm going to double click over here in the blank space to open up my layer options. So here are my layer style options. And I'm going to stick with the top one. I'm going to stick with my blending options. So you don't have to choose anything funky on here. It's the first one that pops up for you. So blending options. And you can see here we have general blending and we're looking at our advanced blending. Okay, and you can see channels RGB, so obviously red, green, blue. This is what makes up all the different colors. But what we're going to do for this is we are going to remove our blue and our green. So it's only going to leave our red colors. Okay, so again, red only. Remove green and blue from your channels there. And then go ahead and hit OK. Now you don't see anything because what we have is we have a blending of these two options. Okay. So, but if you hide your background layer, you'll see that only the red is coming out in this photo. Okay, bring back that background layer. Okay, now make sure that you're clicked on your top layer here, your 3D layer, and once you're clicked on this, what I want you to do is on your keyboard, tap the left button. Oop, I forgot reversal of cameras here. Tap the left button about 5 or 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, I forgot I have to be in the move tool. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, let's go back to 10. There we go. Okay, and you can see that it leaves this like red hue over here. You have that green hue over here. Now, to kind of boost that a little bit more, we're going to double click on our background layer as well. So I'm going to double click there. And this time I'm going to just remove the red channel. Okay. Go ahead and hit OK. And now you can see that you have that 3D look. So blue on one side, red on the other. And you can move it a little bit more to make it a little bit more exaggerated. Okay. And if we had those cool 3D glasses, this would be popping right out at you. All right, so once you're done with that, we're going to go to our crop tool and we're going to crop down the side. So you can see that one side has just blue and the other side has just red. Make sure you have that cropped out. I'm going to crop down a little bit more. And that is what we're looking for. So cool, 3D effect. You can do this with any photo. Yeah, try it out, turn in a couple, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Later, y'all.